What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. The channel is Chance Bishop's Breaks, and today we have ourselves another brand new Pokemon 151 opening. Here we have the mini tin display box, display case, whatever you want to call it. But we have 10 mini tins today. So we do have ourselves a new knife, Gerber. So hopefully I actually cut it. There we go. Yeah, I've upgraded from that silly little box cutter I had. So we do now have an official knife to cut open boxes here on the channel. So we're going to open this up. Take a look at the artwork that we have on display. Let's see. So we have Machamp and Cubone, Gengar Poliwag, Magneton and Ekans, Dragonite and Vileplume. We have Meowth and Hitmonchan, Scyther Weezing, Arcanine, Ammonite, and a Charmander tail, Slowpoke and Sandshrew, Electabuzz and Magnemites, and we have Kadabra and Hitmonlee. So those are all the tins we have right there. So we do have 10 mini tins. They do rattle around a little bit. So there's something inside of each of them. So we're actually going to break out our trusty knife yet again. And we're going to speed this up. And we're going to cut through all of these tins real quick. Alright, so we've opened up all of our tins. That took us a little longer than I expected. A little embarrassing how I couldn't get the knife in the hole sometimes. You know, I'm new to this. But we do have 20 packs here of Pokemon 151. Let's straighten that stack out a little bit. So here we go. Oh boy, we're starting off great. Starting off great here on the pack opening bit. So we're looking for any God packs. We're looking for... There's a Golem EX. Not necessarily who I'm looking for, but I will take a new pull right there. Take the Ultra Rare Golem EX. There's my sleeves. Couldn't find these for a second. But there you go. Ultra Rare Golem EX. Pack number 2. Here we go. Pack number 2, 1/10 of the way through this opening. Basic Psychic Energy. Paris. There's Giovanni's Charisma and a Dragonite. Did we get 2? Poliwhirl, Poliwag. I think it was the Poliwhirl and the Poliwag. Just confused me right there. But a Giovanni's Charisma for the illustration rare. It's been a while since we've put an illustration rare, honestly. I don't, really don't remember the last time we've pulled one, but that is an illustration rare we have yet to get, so I'm down with it. Congrats on the code card. There's a basic Fire Energy for the holo. Machamp, Gyarados, and Aerodactyl. I still like that art right there. Just not the card you're looking for. We've pulled plenty of Aerodactyl holos. Come on, here we go. Staryu, Raichu, Venusaur EX. It's a nice little double rare for the Venusaur EX, especially coming out of the 151 set. You always like to get a one of the original starters. All right, here we go. Oh boy. Code card. There's a basic Dark Energy, Rhyhorn, Diglett, and Omnistar. I don't believe we've gotten an Omnistar yet. I generally cannot remember pulling one. So, might be a new rare we just got for the first time in this opening. Here's our code card. Alright, Mach, Beedrill, Caterpie, and a Gengar. But Caterpie on the illustration rare. Actually, oh. No, this is an illustration rare. The Giovanni's was a special illustration rare, actually. So we've pulled an illustration and a illustration rare. That's my mistake on getting those two confused. But yeah, special illustration rare and the illustration rare pulled so far, as well as a double rare and the ultra rare. So all we're missing right now is a hyper rare. So hopefully one of these 20 packs do contain a God pack. Alright, no God pack in that one. Also looking for Erica's Invitation. The special illustration rare for that one. I believe it's special illustration. It's the chase card for the set. So there we go. Alright, Arcanine, Slowpoke, Mew EX. So there you go. There's one of those hyper rares I was talking about. So a gold Mew EX hyper rare. This is not the promo, the gold metal promo. That is the hyper rare Mew EX right there. So big pull right there as we kind of keep this opening going. Basic Fighting Energy. Oop. Meowth, Hitmonlee, Hypno, Rhyhorn, Cubone, and Mr. Mime. Don't think we've gotten a Mr. Mime much either. I really don't remember getting a lot of these rares. Like Aerodactyl, Kabutops, I know I've gotten those guys. Mr. Mime, Omnistar, not remembering any of them. Electrode, Spearow, Machamp. Good old Machamp right there. That's what you like to see. Alright, come on. There we go. We got the pack. We got the pack open. Here we go. There's our code card. Here's our Lightning Energy. EV, Hitmonlee, and Jolteon. Everyone likes a good Jolteon card. You know, all the evolutions always seem to be very popular when they do get holo rares, as well as EXs and full arts. Alright, Dugtrio, Bill's Transfer, Venusaur. That's our second Venusaur double rare of the opening. So 20 packs, 2 Venusaur double rares. So 10% of the packs do contain a Venusaur. Just saying. Venusaur, apparently best starter Pokemon in Gen 1. It has the best type matchups for the early game. So if you want to get meta when it comes to Pokemon... Oh, we got a Dark Energy Holo. If you want to get real meta when it comes to the early game in Pokemon like Red and Green and Blue and I guess Leaf Green, Fire, Red, go Venusaur because it has type advantage against the first and second gym leader. It resists the third gym leader, and then usually by the time you get to the fourth gym leader, there you go. Bill's Transfer, full art, ultra rare. Good old Bill's Transfer. You like Bill right there. You like him that he created the PC. Put all your spare Pokemons. But full heart Bill's Transfer. Now moving on, here we go to this pack. We're dwindling down. Probably last a little over a quarter, a little under a quarter or so left of our packs. Gyarados and Articuno. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, yeah, just at a quarter of a pack left now. Hopefully one of these has one of our big chase cards. Alright, Magmar, Abra, Marowak, Balloon, and a Chansey Holo Rare. Come on. There we go. Got him. Card. Fighting Energy. Poliwhirl, Poliwrath, and a Charizard EX. So there you go. Big double rare right there for the Charizard EX. It's the Poliwhirl and the Poliwrath back-to-back, though, for me. That's what I like to see out of my pack. Just like getting all the evolutions. I'm sorry we didn't get a Poliwag in there, honestly. That would have completed the trifecta of one pack. We got Holo Dark Energy, Pikachu, Weedle, and Gengar's back again. Good old Gengar. 2 packs remaining here for our Pokemon 151 opening. This is most likely going to be, I think this is not most likely, this is our last 151 opening here on the channel. So hopefully we go out with a bang here. That's what I like to see. Meowth and Mewtwo. Some good Mewtwo art. Alright, now here we go. We have ourselves final pack. Come on. God pack. Erica's Invitation. There we got Water. Giovanni. Dome Fossil, Rhydon, and a Ditto. Being real cute there. So that was our last pack there of Pokemon 151. We're going to get a quick recap going. We did get 3 double rares. We got the Charizard EX as well as 2 Venusaur EXs. There we go. Those are 2 Venusaurs and our Charizard. We pulled 1 illustration rare, being the Caterpie. We pulled 1 special illustration rare, being the Giovanni's Charisma. We pulled 2 full art ultra rares, one being the Golem EX and one being the Bill's Transfer. And we did get 1 hyper rare here in these packs. These 20 packs, we get 1 hyper rare, that being the Mew EX Gold hyper rare. I'll put that to the side right there. But out of 20 packs, we got, what, 8 hits? 8 big hits, not including the holo energies, not including the holo rares. We did get the 8 double rares or higher. So if you guys did enjoy this opening, hit that like button, comment down below, text on YouTube though. Peace out, rock on, stay super classy. And we're going to catch you on the next opening.